Hey everyone, hope you all are doing practice very well. Again, I'm continuing with the line integrals. So, till we did 12 examples, and now I'm continuing with. And here the question is given: find the work done. See, this one is actual line integral only. It's another name of the line integral. So it may be asked that find the work done. Okay, but you have to apply the same procedure. So find the work done in moving a particle in the force field. F bar is given along the curve x square equals to 4y and x cube equals to 8z from x equals to 0 to x equals to 2. Okay. For the line integral or work done, you know that F bar is necessary to give, then after a point or else any curve, or if any curve is not given, then it's compulsory to give xyz, right? So you can see that here curves are given, but here there is given they are given two curves, right? So from this both the curve you have to convert into the single term of either x or y or z, but you can check the limits here. It's given into the x form, so of course from this both curve you will convert it into the x form. So I'm just starting it right now. So work done, as we did its theory in our previous sessions, work done formula is given by integration over the CF dot dr only. There is no change. Okay, it's another name of the line integral only. So very first step we have to apply its position vector. So R will be there. Then in terms of xi plus yj plus zk. Then after dr we can write I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Okay. Now then after find f dot dr. So multiplying this both f and dr. So you may get this one term, that is this one. Okay. Now in the third step you have to apply its curve, yani the path of the integrations. And here there are given two curves, x square equals to 4y and 3x cube equals to 8z. Okay. From these both equations you have to convert into the any form, right? But see the limits here, it's given only in terms of x. So you have to convert this both the equation, this both the curve into the x form only. Okay. So from the first equation you have to make a subject of y, and from the another second equation you have to make a subject of z only. Okay. So now just do dy and dz and putting these all the values in f dot dr, and for the limits x equals to 0 to x equals to 2. So just putting these all the values, give the simplification, you can get the answer. So again I am saying telling work done or line integral. Whatever is given, the formula, the method will be same only. Next example, let's see like 13th example. Find the work done when a force F bar is given for moves a particle from the origin to the point z1, 1. Origin yani ki from the 0, 0 to 1, 1 along y square equals to x. Okay, here F bar is given, 2 points are given. Okay, and one curve is given. So from the curve you have to identify the its limits, either from x limits or of y limits. Okay, so first note down the equation, the formula of work done, and it's here I have written integration over the cf dot dr. Now let's start with the step 1. In the first step you have to write its position vector. So I have written here xi plus yj, right? And now you can apply dr, so that will be I dx plus j dy. Okay. Now in the second step you can do a multiplication of both the functions, yani ki f dot dr. So f और dr लिखो यहाँ पे और do the simplification of these both the terms. So you may get this one. Now third one step you have to apply its path of integration, right? So the path of integration is given here, y square equals to 4x. Okay. So I'm just writing this and either convert it into the x form or convert it into the y form. So you can see here I'm converting into the y form. Now if you are converting into the y, then from this both the equation you have to apply the limits of y, and if this equation you are converting into the x form, then you have to put the limits of x terms, not of y coordinates. Okay, and right now I am converting it into the y form. So I will write the limit of y. So you can see the coordinates of y origin coordinates will be 0 comma 0 only, right? And you have to here write the integration, the limits of y, so that will be 0 to 1. Okay, so here I have written 0 to 1, and in the f dot dr just putting x equals to y square as I have given here. So जहाँ पे x दिख रहा है वहाँ पे आपको put करना है y square. So now converting it into the y and putting the limits, you will get this answer, that minus 2 by 3. Now next one, again it's the same, find the work done. F bar is given, 1 point is given, and here x, y, z are given. Okay, so you have, of course you have to find the limits of now t, because x, y, z parametric equations has been given. Okay, so first note down the function f dot dr, yani ki formula of work done, that f dot dr, then position vector, that r bar xi yj plus zk as usual. Now dr, now it's given x, y, and z, so just I'm finding dx, dy, and dz. So now in the third step, f to dr, just take a multiplication of both and apply these values of x, y, z in these equations, as well as dx, dy, and dz. Okay, so give the after the simplification you will get this one answer. Now this putting this all the values in the f to dr and limits, the limits will be 0 to 1. Why? Because here it's given a point 211. Okay, so point put करो यहाँ पे, so 211, so you will get the maximum limit t equals to 1, and lower limit it's not given, but it's here it's said a particle moves from, then of course it will start from 0 only, yani ki from the origin only. Okay, so t equals to initial limits, I will take t equals to 0, so it will be from 0 to 1, and putting f dot dr you will get final answer. And just before this, just do the simplification and apply the limits. So here it is being 7 to 4 upon 105. Now next one example I am giving for that, evaluate work done by the force. Again it's given into the square brackets, because it's another notation of the vector components. Okay, so it will be 3x square I plus 2xz minus y k minus z, but it will be 0, because as we know we are having a position vector of x, y, z form only. Okay, in 3 dimensions only, because you can see the equation here r bar is given, that is into the 3D, t square and t cube. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो fourth आ रहा है that will be 0 only. So just do with your own self, and if you have any doubt, then you can contact me anytime, WhatsApp or call. And still there are remaining so many examples, so if anybody wants, then you can directly contact me. Okay, so just do the practice.